Hello all, hello. I've got a quick Dollar Tree haul I'd like to share with you. Let's just get right into this. I'm going to pull the things out of the bag and we're just going to talk about them as we go. So the first thing we have are these little stirs that I got from Dollar Tree. There's four of them in there. These ones are pink flamingos. I think these are so cute, you guys. I use these for everything. I use these to kind of like scoop my cat food and also to stir my coffee and just any random thing. So I got those, and then I also got the little pineapple ones because I love pineapples too. So yeah, these are that. Those were all $1.25 a piece. I got this little handheld mini fan. I thought this was so cute. You could use it for like skincare or anything really. It's getting hot, so it'll be coming nice and handy. This one is blue. And yeah, you put the batteries in back there. So I'm excited to see how this works out. Next thing is some lipstick. These are the Beauty Intuition lipstick, or this one is. It's in the shade Sweet Cocoa. So we'll add this to our box of Dollar Tree lipsticks that we like to try and review. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I suggest you check them out. We have a lot of fun, and there's a lot of good Dollar Tree stuff. We have this Gura Nanda oral rinse. I watched another Dollar Tree shopper review these, and she said that she really liked these. She compared these to those TheraBreath rinses. The only problem is they're so tiny. This was $1.25, and this thing is tiny. It's tiny, tiny. But I wanted to try it and see how it worked out. So I grabbed just one, and I will let you guys know how I feel about it. It just says it's a breath harmonizer oral rinse. So yeah, instantly targets bad breath germs. I'm here for that. So we're going to give this one a whirl. Next thing I'm going to pull out are these basic beauty simple elegance 28 assorted sponges. I can never have too many of these. So I actually was looking for a couple of clean sponges for a video the other day, and I couldn't find them for anything. So when I saw these at Dollar Tree, I was like, they were reading my mind. So we grabbed a pack of those, and that's a lot. 28 sponges for $1.25. Very, very good. And I also got this little box of Revive makeup blenders. These has 3 makeup sponges in it, and I think they're all a different shape, which I thought was really cool because they did have packs that had 4, but they were all just that same egg shape, and I just thought that was a better value. So I needed a razor. And this is so cute, you guys. Look at this razor. It's all pink and flowery. So anyway, I tried this Assured razor. It says it has 3 blades. I've never tried a Dollar Tree razor, but I have tried a cheap razor before. So we're going to see how this one works out. They did also have a lot of different shaving creams and gels and stuff. So I might have to grab one of those too. Next is this Ione blush stick. This is a swipe and go blush stick in the shade Raspberry. I know that they had one other shade. It was like a really, really pale pink, I think, and I just didn't grab it. So I'm going to put this in the box so we can try this one day on a Dollar Tree makeup haul day. And then I also grabbed, if you guys saw in my latest video, I did what I bought versus what I left. These two I bought these are defining conditioner for curls and a gentle conditioner for curls. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree, but the packaging was so nice. I couldn't resist it. So I'm excited to see how these work out. I've been finding a lot of hair stuff at Dollar Tree. They have not been playing. So speaking of hair stuff, this is the Be Pure Daytime Repairing Hair Mask. This was literally the last one they had. I still have not seen these anywhere else. So I'm excited to try this. It seems like there's a lot in here, and it's reclosable, but it's still in this little pouch. So that's super cool. And this was $1.25. So yeah, like I said, they're like coming hard for the hair products lately, which is what I'm about to show you. So look, I found this bamboo fiber hair mask. This one is to restore and thicken brittle, weak hair. So I thought this was really cool for $1.25. So there's this one. And then I also found this one. This is a shea butter and coconut hair mask. It hydrates and revives dry, damaged hair. And these are by this brand Spa Luxury, which isn't a bad brand. I've used a few of their products from Dollar Tree before, and I don't have any complaints. And then I found this one. This one is the papaya and coconut oil hair mask, and it quenches curls, and it's for curly, thick hair, which is right up my alley. And this one was $1.25 as well as all of the other ones. So for $1.25, these are a really good size, I would say. Hopefully I can get more than one use out of it, but I couldn't believe I could find those at Dollar Tree. I thought that was a score. So yeah, I have 3 Dollar Trees in my really small town. For some reason, the only thing we have 3 of is Dollar Tree. But if I shop all around, They all are so different. They all have such different stuff. So I frequently go to a different one a few times a week because I got issues. Anyway, let's keep it moving. This is a soothing and cooling face stick. This is by the brand Skincare. Now, I've tried they had some under eye patches from this brand and they were really good. I actually really liked them. So I'm not surprised to see this. It says minimally formulated for the new you. Okay, interesting. So I'm excited to try this. This is like a cooling stick. This will be really good for your gym bag. I'm going to put this in my gym bag. And also since it's summertime, so there's that. We're getting down to the bottom of the bag, so that's good. The next is this all over body mineral deodorant. I'd never seen this before. This was a newer item that they just stocked in. So this is in lavender and white tea. We'll give these a whirl. I like to buy my deodorants from Dollar Tree. I think that it's worth it. So the next thing is this Be Pure nighttime hair serum. So this one was next to the daytime one. It says it's overnight hydration treatment for all hair types. And if you know me, you know that I love me some Be Pure. So I am excited to try these. And that's why I wanted to share these with you guys now, because I need to get a chance to try this stuff. I need to show you guys what I got so I can actually start using it. So you can see there's only two things left in this bag. This is the Ioni Brow Priming. No, let me read correctly. This is the Ioni Brow Defining Pen. So this is a brow pen, y'all. This is the only time I've ever seen this there, and I have not seen it since. This one is in the shade dark brown, and I am excited to try this. Ioni has been the only brand that I have found that has any kind of decent brow products from Dollar Tree, so I have high hopes for that. And then the last thing is this face illuminator by Ioni. You guys, I passed this up so many times because every time you see it, if you didn't tell, I just shook it up, but every time you see it, it's like separated at the store. It's like two different things. And I was like, I ain't buying this. That looks like junk. And then eventually I ended up buying it because I just kept seeing it so many times. So we'll see what this is talking about. I do not have high hopes for this. Like I said, you have to like shake it up to get it to mix back together. So I'm just hoping it doesn't break me out. I'm thinking we're going to try it on the body more than the face. So yeah, that is it. Bag is empty. This is the stash. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I love me some Dollar Tree and I'm always shopping there. So if you guys are have a Dollar Tree in your area, I would highly, highly, highly suggest that you guys check them out. There's so much good products there nowadays, especially compared to the prices for the other stores. So that is my advice to you. I hope that you guys have a great day. Thank you to any new subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and have a great day. Happy Friday. See you. Love you. Bye. I put nails on, guys. Finally. Bye. They're chrome, though. All right. Bye, you guys.